We continue to see a troubling trend in several states across the country, including Missouri. In this graph, you can see the weekly number of COVID-19 cases rising in the state. There were 5,100 new cases this week. That's the highest since February 10th. The positivity rate also up to 11%. The highest since January 20th, and the numbers aren't just a statewide concern. Take a look at this graph showing the total COVID-19 hospitalizations in St. Louis area hospitals. They are up to 180 right now, which is the highest since early May. ICU admissions, they are also up. All of this has some people rethinking and reworking what they do. 5 on your side, Sarah Maki, live tonight to explain. Sarah?
Yeah, Kay, communal living facilities, they were some of the first and often the hardest hit people during the beginning of the pandemic. Just one case could quickly turn into an outbreak. So with this more contagious Delta variant circulating widely now, we talked with one healthcare specialist about their strategy. I want you to take a look. This right here is the first shipment of vaccines that came into Dolan Memory Care homes with new guests and new staff coming on board all the time. They knew that they would need to become a vaccinator, essentially holding their own clinics to keep vaccine participation at 100% inside their walls. They applied with the right agencies, got new equipment, and they have software that will now alert 3 people automatically should vials ever start to get too warm. This means that they are protecting patients so they can keep their doors open to visitors.
We'll adapt. We'll adapt on what's going on and what's happening, and that's just the way we do things around here. I always felt that that was an important part of what we do here, is to keep families and residents together as much as possible.
Now, they've had to change some policies for guests as well because they think that vaccination equals protection. Vaccinated guests, they do get more liberties. They can use more spaces around the area, and they can also go and visit their family members without masks on. Reporting live tonight, Sarah Maki, 5 on your side.
New cases of COVID-19 in Springfield, Missouri, higher than at any other time since even the start of the pandemic, all driven by the spread of the Delta variant. The situation's so bad, the fire chief of Springfield, David Pennington, tweeted earlier today, "This is a mass casualty event happening in slow motion. EMS resources are depleted and the hospital systems are overwhelmed. Our community is in crisis." COVID case rates are 11 times higher than the national average in Springfield and Branson, that according to the New York Times.